Northeast 8 Nagamis News Viewers Khan Ajlaga main headlines. Rajya Sabate Bihar laga water lease achanak pra election nobole time update kra opor Jamala Olaikina House to adjourn kurdishi. Working Committee Naga National Political Groups pra illegal immigrants laga issues khan sabo karne Immigration Control Task Force ICTF form kra announce kurishi. Nagaland Tribes Council pra Prime Minister Modi ke tai saal 2015 te Naga political issue 18 months bitor resolve kurdibo kwa commitment to yad dilaishi. Assam Rifles pra Champai District Mizoram te jakali 11 kilogram methamphetamine tablets worth rupees 33.33 crore seize kurishi. Parliament naga monsoon session cholekina jai thaka majute aji Rajya Sabate Bihar te water lease khan special intensive revision SIR time election hubole time update kura opor Jamala Olaikina House to adjourn kurdishi. Opposition member of Parliament's pra House bitor vote chor kura bon kuri bikoikina slogan sala kurikina debate kurble demand kurishi junto pra House laga chairperson दूसरा रास्ता न थकी किना हाउस तो मंडे ते ही रिज्यूम शुरू करुबो कोइकना एडजर्न कुर्दिशी जामला तो डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन हरि वंशप्रा रूल नंबर 267 अंडर सब 30 नोटिसेस बी तकन प्रोसीड्यूरल requirements napunche koikna reject kuridiapichte olaishe. Opposition member of Parliament Bihar te election commission naga draft roll opor ekdom gussa hoikina manu bishi vote kurble eligible thaka khan ke lease tepra hatai dia allege kurishi. Working Committee Naga National Political Groups NNPGs pra Naga inhabited areas te illegal immigrants laga issues khan sabo karne Immigration Control Task Force ICTF form kura announce kurishi. Statement te Working Committee pra junaishi ki decision ituto illegal immigrants naga manu laga demographic, socio-economic or political future karne ekta dangor threat hwa nimite loa laga ase koishe. Working Committee junaishi ki takan religious freedom or ekilogote milikina thakato respect kore hoilebi itu pra extreme religious bisas spread kurate nachulabole lagi koikna junadishi. Working Committee state kuishe ki takan naga areas te madrasas juntu ase schools kote Islam sikhai itu khan banabole nadibo or judi thakishe koile bon kuribo koishe. There can be masjids misuse krekna tate jihadi ideology promote kra against war krekna local Muslim councils ke matter itu opor ICTF logote coordinate kurble urge kurishi. Working Committee junaishi ki emotional reaction nohoy kina itiato smart aro agi jai kina kinika kuribo itu laga thick plans thakibole lagi koishe. Takhan junaishi ki migrants checking or registration bishi strict kuribo koikna state krishi. Working Committee pra sub community leaders sectors or busti authorities ke ICTF support kurble junadishe. Working Committee junaishi ki initiative ituto Muslim against hua nohoile kunba religious or social group ke target kura hisab de nalobole lage koikna junadishe. Nagaland Tribes Council NTC pra Prime Minister Narendra Modi ke tai saal 2015 Hornbill Festival time Naga political issue 18 moina bitor resolve kuri dibo kwa commitment diato yad dilaishe. NTC President C Pankatang Lotha aru C Anand Walling junaishi ki duita important agreements Framework Agreement 2015 aru Agreed Position 2017 to important Naga political groups rokote sign kurishi aro talks to by October 31st 2019 khotam hubole expected thakishi koikna junadishi. Prime Minister Modi bi Saudi Arabia te insurgency to resolve hoishe koikna announce kurishi hoilebi NTC junaishi ki kothato action te dalibole bishi deri hoikna jaisi koishe. Agreement sign kurikina 2 saal nishna aru ceasefire hoikina 28 years hua pichte bi alag alag political factions bishi olaishi koishe junto pra extortion, multiple taxation, kidnappings aru intimidation nishna incidents hoikina law and order ekdom bia kuri dikna ase koikina junadishi. State আৰু Central Government ke situation nimite blame kurikina NTC pra Prime Minister ke agreements immediately implement krato ensure korble urge kurishe takhan pra Central Government ke justice anikina peace restore korble jna dekhna naga manukan normal lives thakibolete modot dibo nimite jna dishe Suspected human trafficking laga case ekta Wednesday ekdom rati phale jani bole paise kote 26 maiki juntute charta minors takishe takhan ke new Tinsukia railway station Assam tepra rescue kurishe takhan ke allegedly fake nakli Aadhaar cards cholaikna Tamil Nadu te loi jai thakishe Railway Protection Force RPF pra Dibrugarh station te takhan laga identity documents thik na thaka sabole pabichte Tinsukia officials ke alert kurishi koikna junadishe District Police logote milikina swift operation ektate train rokhatai maki khan ke rescue bachaishi koikna junadishe Mota ekjun G2 Datta koikna kun prai to 26 maki ke traffic kurate escort kuri thakishe tar pra nakli documents chola confess kurikna takhan ke kapra laga factory te kaam kurble loi jai thakishe koikna claim krishi marki bishi ola takhan ke kote loi jai se to be najane aru kunba laga family so takhan bahar jai se koikna bi najane koikna authorities pra janadishe officials pra trafficking laga network to to prabi dangor ola thaka suspect kuri ase kote manu khan ke misa misi kam bhal dibole promise kurikna takhan ke bikri kurite forged kura documents or suspicious items kan seize kurikna minors khan ityanimite child welfare care under ase aru authorities khan victims laga families ke bisarikna takhan laga identity confirm kuribole kurikna jaise data ke to human trafficking forgery aru child protection law bhanga laga charges under custody te rakhikena ase ekta dangor anti drug operation te Assam Rifles Champai district Mizoram te pra jakali 11 kg methamphetamine tablets worth rupees 33.33 crore hobo itu seize kurishe specific intelligence opor ek kurikna team pra zote area te search law time drug store recover kurishe junto excise and narcotics department ke further action lobo karne hand over kuri dikhna ase ituto ja hafta hi Avankul Manipur National Highway 37 osor 1430 case smuggle kura mudu seize kura pichte aha laga ase 1430 case te 32000 bottles or cans takishi koishi junto worth 1 crore nishna thakishi aru case itu tebi duita drivers ke arrest kurikna state police ke hand over kuri dikhna ase